Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslie and today's March 1st. Happy March. New month, new day, new week, fresh starts. Yes, those are the vibes for today. So I've been wanting to make this video for so long. It's about the famous vacuum, the Hoover vacuum. So I got the Power Dash pet. I wanted it the purple one. I believe that was a little bit more expensive. I saw a lot of people reviewing that one, but I didn't find that one. But it's still the Hoover vacuum Power Dash pet. So, and it's the lightweight one. I'm excited to try this. Like I said, I've been wanting this kind of vacuum for so long. I want the Dyson one too, cordless, but that's more for like just to pick things from the floor. Like I wanted this one like to deep clean my carpet. I know many people have different type of vacuums for different things, but well, this is the one that I really was dying for. And yeah, a little bit of a disclaimer. My carpet is super you're gonna see it. but like I was saying, I've been living in this apartment for about 5 to 6 years. This carpet is very old. This carpet was it's been in this apartment for like I don't know how many years, probably like 8-10 years, because pretty long since they haven't changed it, and because COVID and whatever and all the excuses they want to give me, they haven't changed it. But we're leaving in a couple months. But before I leave, even though I'm in this this vacuum, whatever I move, I just want to see and test it out in this very dirty carpet to see if it can help it. And if it do something here, like I can do something in everywhere. So I'm gonna be doing this mini review, probably a cleaning too, a cleaning with me. And yeah, I'm gonna show you the vacuum. So this is the Power Dash Pet Carpet Cleaner. This is like, this is why the difference on the other ones, it's lightweight, less than 13 pounds. It has a dual tank system, because that was the main thing that I was looking for. And a heat force, meaning it dries too. So this is powerful cleaning for high traffic areas. Easily tackles pet messes. I don't have a pet, but and stains and easy storage. This is. You wanna get down? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this one was on sale and my husband got it for me. And yeah, so let me open it. I also got the liquid for the vacuum. I don't know if they come with one. I believe so, for what I saw on past videos. So I got this one, and let's see. So here I'm taking the water tank. I'm looking into those instructions to see how you put it, but you're gonna see. So pretty much it's done. It was just putting these two pieces together, and then this where the solution in the water is going, and you press it firmly, and this is where you put the water in the solution, like I think I said before. It has the lines, wait, yeah, where the water is going and the solution too. So you do that, you fill that up with warm water, it says, then press it, and this is how it looks. I'll show you. So this is, I have to clean the mess on the floor that we just did, opening and everything. This is how it looks right now, and like I said, pretty much done. And once you are done, like, this is, you press this and you attach it, throw it out. I believe this one, I have to look, but Noah took my instructions. It's even though it dries, it says that it dries once you go backwards. It's just not like a full dry. I mean, understandable. The carpet's a little bit better, and just to keep using it. I'm sorry. Okay, I have to say, if you're gonna use if you have a big space, you need to refill this a couple times. I did it twice for this area. I think it's more optional, and my kid, it's driving me crazy. So I will see you guys later. Please like, comment, subscribe, and can't wait to make more videos. And any suggestions, anything you want to say, please down below. And I'm leaving because Mr. Noah is having a rough afternoon. Bye.